Hello everyone, this is Dr.Meetakshi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about knowing the challenges and the pain points of your ideal customer and preparing these objections. One of the biggest challenge a digital marketer faces in today's time is to establish himself in the most unique way, especially when the digital world is flooded with variety of products and services. Reaching the right audience at the right time with relevant content is another big challenge of the digital world. Today in this video, we're going to talk about the importance of mentioning these challenges and the pain points in the worksheet. Now, identifying the pain points help you customize your products or service and also at the same time improve the existing products and services. What are these pain points? These are one or more problems that your ideal customer may face while using your product or service. Pain points also tell you the violation of the value proposition that has happened with your product. For example, you have a mobile app business and over here your customer faces problem with configuration or completing the setup. Now this becomes a major problem. Even though your mobile app security may be extraordinarily impressive. So here in this case, two main pain points are there. Number one, problem with configuration, and number two, a problem being faced in completing the setup. Now the worksheet that you have created with specified pain points will help you inspire copy and ad creative that you must use to compel your ideal customer to go for your product. Copy, as I mentioned in the previous videos, is a written word which is used to make the advertisements, blogs, web page, emails, etc. Ad creative, on the other hand, is an object that communicates in visual form such as memes, videos, infographics, GIF, and other such creative forms to convey the desired information. Thus, copy and ad creative together can be used to convince your audience, capture their attention, address their pain points, and also at the same time add value proposition to your product and services. Now, how do you prepare objections? Now, here in the worksheet you mention why your ideal customer might not prefer or might decline the offer to buy your product or services. Now, this reason or reasons. In the example I mentioned earlier, the solution to address the objections could be leverage automation customer support. And the same can be sent in the email because email marketing is the fastest and the cheapest. And the same can be delivered to as many people as possible. With the subject line, we leverage automation customer support. Thank you.